Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Google or the new Google Gemini AI with the Google Workspace. So if you guys are wondering how to basically connect these two together and then basically use it simultaneously and in conjunction with each other, all we need to do to basically do that is to just go ahead and access the Google Gemini website. So once you're already here, I'm going to go ahead and just tap on this website. As you would see, we have some options over here. All we need to do is to tap on settings and then tap on extensions and then just go ahead and over on the Google Workspace and then make sure that this is enabled. Once you have this enabled, of course, you could actually use Gemini AI to create some summaries, find a specific email and stuff like that. Or you could also go ahead and just launch Google Docs and have Gemini AI right there. So once you go ahead and tap on your Google Docs website, you are going to see Gemini floating on the top right corner. And you can also go ahead and remove this guy right here from the top corner and just by tapping on this specific symbol over here, just to hide it, and tap it on again to show it right here. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.